We're making bacon cowboy style. So good, you can put that shit on anything. A Bloody Mary, a burger, a chicken sandwich, a salad, because it's all about balance, right? This is cowboy bacon. Yeehaw. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn on our oven, 425. And now let's get our sheet pan ready. And some aluminum foil. Put our rack right on top. All right, now let's get our bacon. We're just gonna place them onto our baking sheet. I'm gonna wash my hands. I feel like there's this misconception that people don't wash their hands when they're doing videos, and that's absolutely a lie. So now we're gonna place our bacon into the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. And while we wait, let's make our rub. Brown sugar and some barbecue rub, 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. And now we're gonna do a few tablespoons of the barbecue rub. This is gonna help our bacon get this like super glossy, crispy exterior, and it's gonna have like this really nice and smoky kick that bacon already has naturally, but this is just gonna enhance it, and it's like bringing it up a notch. We could also get the barbecue sauce going. So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons. You can use store-bought or you can make your own. Now let's cut some jalapeno slices. So jalapenos are going through something right now where like sometimes they're enormous and other times they resemble a serrano. This is not a serrano. This is actually a jalapeno. So you're gonna need 3. All right, I'm gonna go check on the bacon. She looks gorgeous. We got this like really nice bubbling action. The sides are starting to get nice and golden brown. All right, I'm gonna lower the temperature to 375. Now we have 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce in here. We're gonna brush about 2 tablespoons onto this side of the bacon. Now that our bacon is fully brushed, let's sprinkle some of our dry rub seasoning. This is such a fun treat to make for a new neighbor or a barbecue or honestly just an afternoon snack. Now we're gonna flip. Now we repeat the process. Some barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna sprinkle with our rub. Now we could finish here, but then like, who would I be? So we're gonna add jalapeno slices to this and give it that added kick that it needs. We're gonna have some extra dry rub and brown sugar mixture left over, and we're just gonna sprinkle that evenly over the jalapeno slices. And right back into the oven it goes for about, I don't know, like 20 minutes. It's starting to smell so good. I mean, even better than it was smelling before. So I'm gonna go check our oven. Oh my goodness. Look at this bacon. My mouth is watering. This is so bad. All right, it's been 5 minutes. And yes, it's 5 minutes on the dot because I couldn't wait any longer. So let's give these a try. It's so good. It's everything that's delicious about bacon, which is everything, but like 100 times better. It has sweetness from the brown sugar and added spiciness from the jalapeno. And the edges are so crispy. Yes, bacon is delicious as is, but you can make it 100 times better with this cowboy twist. This is so good. I'm just gonna actually take the rest of it. Cowboy bacon. It's the bacon you didn't know you needed. You're welcome.